Walk. Too fast. Straight. You're not straight. You're not straight. You're not straight. Hands down a little bit. Put your hands more inside. Good job. No, don't touch your hand. Yes. Relax it. Put it more out. Put it more, your hands more out. Because you know your hands is, no, put it down. Relax your shoulder. Relax your shoulder. Your body open. Your body have to be closed. That's what I'm showing you. Because your body open too much. Your body have to be closed. Like this one and more in. No, this right here. Your shoulder. Yes, like straight. Yes. And this one. Exactly. Just relax. Relax your shoulder. Relax your shoulder. Yes. Yes, sir. Put it right here. Good job. Open a little bit for him. Good job. You straight? You good? Now I'm going to count for you, Richard. I believe in you, Richard. And you're going to do very good. I want wrists and knees. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, take your time. Smoother. Yes, better. Too fast. Yes. Yes. Better. Your hands. You're losing your hands. Yes. Good job, Richard. Good job, Richard. Good job, Richard.
say